What if you could have clean floors every day without lifting a finger? Robot vacuums and mops are making it possible. In this video, I'll break down the best robot vacuum and mop combos that do the dirty work for you so you can spend your time on what matters. Product links are waiting for you in the description box below. Let's get right into our comprehensive review of the best robot vacuum and mop combos on the market, starting with the iRobot Roomba Plus 405. When you experience the iRobot Roomba Plus 405, you're stepping into the world of intelligent, hands-off cleaning because this model is engineered for those who appreciate seamless automation and want their home to stay spotless with minimal intervention. The Roomba Plus 405 is designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping in a single pass, making it perfect for busy households that want to maintain pristine floors without constant oversight. Its advanced mapping technology ensures every inch of your space is covered efficiently, learning the layout of your home to optimize cleaning routes and avoid obstacles. With its automatic dirt disposal system, you can expect weeks of cleaning without ever having to empty the bin yourself, which is a game changer for those who value convenience. As you use the Roomba Plus 405, you'll notice its smart sensors working tirelessly to detect dirtier areas and focus on them, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The transition between different floor types, whether it's carpet, tile, or hardwood, is smooth and automatic, so you never have to worry about manually adjusting settings. The mop function is equally intelligent, dispensing just the right amount of water to keep your hard floors gleaming without causing any damage or overwetting. The integration with smart home assistants like Alexa and Google Home means you can control your cleaning routine with simple voice commands.
Alexa, tell Roomba to vacuum in front of the couch,
making the process even more effortless. The Roomba Plus 405 also stands out for its user-friendly app, which lets you schedule cleanings, customize specific zones, and receive real-time updates on the cleaning progress. This level of control and feedback gives you peace of mind, knowing exactly when and where your robot is working. Its slim profile allows it to glide under furniture and reach those tricky spots that often get neglected, ensuring a comprehensive clean throughout your home. With its combination of powerful suction, precise mopping, and intelligent automation, the Roomba Plus 405 transforms your cleaning routine into a truly hands-free experience and is definitely the best vacuum mop combo robot for those on a budget. Moving on to the next product on my best robot vacuum and mop combo list, let's take a closer look at the Eufy Omni C20, which brings its own set of standout features to the table. As one of the best mop and vacuum robot combos available, the Eufy Omni C20 impresses right from the start with its ultra-slim 3.35-inch design, allowing it to reach under beds, sofas, and other low-clearance furniture where dust and debris often accumulate unnoticed. This robot vacuum and mop is engineered to provide powerful suction and effective mopping in a compact form factor, making it ideal for apartments or homes with lots of furniture. Its hands-free emptying system ensures you won't have to touch dust or debris for weeks at a time, offering a level of convenience that's hard to beat. When you put the Omni C20 to work, you'll appreciate its intelligent navigation system, which precisely maps your home and avoids obstacles with ease. The mop function is designed to tackle sticky messes and everyday spills, leaving your hard floors spotless without any streaks. This top-rated robot vacuum and mop combo automatically detects carpeted areas and lifts the mop to prevent wetting, so you don't have to worry about water damage to your rugs. The combination of smart mapping and obstacle avoidance means the Omni C20 can clean every corner of your home, even in rooms with complex layouts. The Eufy app gives you full control over your cleaning schedule and preferences, allowing you to set no-go zones, customize cleaning modes, and monitor the robot's progress from anywhere. Voice assistant compatibility adds another layer of convenience, letting you start or stop cleaning sessions with a simple command.
Alexa, ask RoboVac to start cleaning.
Okay.
The powerful 7,000 PA suction ensures that even pet hair and fine dust are captured effectively, making it a great choice for pet owners and allergy sufferers alike. With its advanced features and thoughtful design, the Eufy Omni C20 makes maintaining a clean home effortless. Now let's shift gears and explore the 3IS10 Ultra, a top-rated robot vacuum and mop combo that brings a host of innovative technologies to your cleaning routine. If you're looking for the best robot vacuum and mop combo, then the 3IS10 Ultra truly stands out for its robust feature set, including smart mapping, a water recycle system, and an ultra-powerful 13,000 PA suction system. This combination means you can expect a deep cleaning performance on both carpets and hard floors, with the added benefit of minimal hair tangling thanks to its specially designed roller mop. The water recycle system is particularly noteworthy as it ensures efficient use of water during mopping and keeps the mop clean throughout the cleaning cycle, resulting in streak-free, sparkling floors. Using the 3IS10 Ultra, you'll benefit from intelligent control options, including voice commands and video monitoring capabilities. The built-in camera allows you to check in on your home or pets remotely, offering peace of mind and an extra layer of functionality beyond standard cleaning. The Green Eye Dirt Scan cleaning strategy leverages advanced sensors to detect and target dirtier areas, ensuring that high-traffic zones receive extra attention. The Apex Vision DTUF LiDAR system enables precise navigation, allowing the robot to move seamlessly around obstacles and clean efficiently, even in complex home environments. If you're seeking the best robot mop and vacuum combo, then you'll love that the S10 Ultra's all-in-one station takes care of self-emptying, mop self-cleaning, and self-drying, so you spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your clean home. The system also features intelligent mop lifting for carpets, ultrasonic carpet detection, and a self-drying roller mop, which helps prevent odors and bacteria buildup. With the ability to handle both wet and dry messes, the 3IS10 Ultra is a versatile solution for families, pet owners, and anyone seeking a truly hands-off cleaning experience. Let's continue our best mop vacuum robot comparison by examining the DREAME X50 Ultra, another high-performance robot vacuum and mop designed for modern living. As one of the best mop vacuum robots on the market right now, the DREAME X50 Ultra is engineered to deliver exceptional cleaning power with its 20,000 PA Vormax suction, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums available. This level of suction ensures that even the most stubborn debris, pet hair, and dust are effortlessly removed from your floors. The side reach vacuuming and Mop Extend Robo Swing technology work together to provide comprehensive corner-to-corner cleaning, so every inch of your home is covered. The detangling duo brush system is especially beneficial for homes with pets, as it prevents hair from getting tangled in the brushes, reducing maintenance and ensuring consistent performance. As you use the X50 Ultra, you'll notice its advanced navigation system, which combines the 2.36-inch Pro Leap system with 3.5-inch VersaLift navigation to maneuver smoothly around furniture and obstacles. The 3D Adapt Smart Obstacle Avoidance technology ensures that the robot can identify and steer clear of common household items, minimizing the risk of collisions and allowing for uninterrupted cleaning. The Ace Clean Dryboard feature helps keep your mops clean and dry, further enhancing hygiene and reducing the need for manual intervention. The DREAME X50 Ultra is designed for convenience, featuring all-in-one auto maintenance that includes self-emptying, self-cleaning, and intelligent precision cleaning. You can expect a truly hands-free experience, with the robot automatically returning to its base to empty its dustbin, clean its mop, and prepare for the next cleaning session. The HyperStream technology ensures powerful and consistent airflow, maximizing suction performance on all floor types. With the ability to pick up pet hair, handle corners, and maintain itself, the X50 Ultra is an excellent choice for those seeking a top-tier robot vacuum and mop. So, what is the best robot vacuum and mop combo on the market? Overall, I'd have to say that the Roborock Saros 10R is the best robot vacuum mop combo that you can buy because it features an ultra-slim 3.14-inch profile, allowing it to glide effortlessly under beds, sofas, and cabinets to clean areas that are typically hard to reach. Its advanced StarSight autonomous system 2.0 utilizes 3D sensing technology and vertibeam lateral obstacle avoidance to precisely map your home and navigate around cables, furniture, and other obstacles. The system can recognize and adapt to 108 different types of obstacles, ensuring that cleaning is both thorough and seamless, even in homes with complex layouts. Being the best mopping robot vacuum cleaner, one of the standout features of the Saros 10R is its industry-leading Hyperforce suction, which delivers exceptional cleaning power across all floor types. The zero-tangling Duo Divide main brush and FlexiArm riser side brush are specifically designed to prevent hair tangles, making this model an excellent choice for pet owners or anyone with long hair in the household. The anti-tangle omnidirectional wheels further reduce maintenance, while the FlexiArm riser side brush, and mop extend automatically to clean corners and edges, eliminating blind spots and ensuring a spotless finish. The Saros 10R's innovative AdaptiLift chassis allows it to climb over obstacles up to 4 centimeters high, such as thresholds and U-shaped furniture legs, while its mop and brushes lift automatically to avoid wetting carpets during cleaning and recharging. The multifunctional dock 4.0 is a true highlight, offering 10-in-1 functionality including auto mop removal, hot water mop washing, hot air drying, 60-day automatic dust collection, auto tank refilling, and detergent dispensing. This dock ensures the mop stays clean and dry, while the system can automatically re-wash and re-mop heavily soiled areas for deep cleaning. Smart device integration is another major benefit of this top-rated robot vacuum and mop combo, with built-in voice assistant support and app control for customizing schedules, managing maps, and accessing features like two-way video calls and pet search. The Saros 10R supports all major smart home platforms and even provides a built-in RGB camera for keeping an eye on pets or checking in on your home remotely. With these advanced features, the Roborock Saros 10R offers an unparalleled level of convenience, efficiency, and connectivity, making it a standout choice for anyone looking for the best robot vacuum and mop experience. Thanks for joining me as we explored the best robot vacuum and mop combos you can buy right now. These smart devices are true game changers, taking the hassle out of floor care and giving you more time to enjoy your home. If you're interested in any of the models we discussed, I've included links to the latest prices in the description box below.